Welcome to this image resizing and optimization tutorial. Image resizing and optimization are important steps to ensure your website loads quickly. A large image can stop a page loading entirely if a user has a poor mobile connection. It may take several minutes to load a page on a low-speed broadband connection. I've spent some time testing a variety of simple methods to produce a resized and optimized image. In this tutorial, I'll focus on two methods that generate the smallest files. The first is an online system. The second is useful if the image file is too large for online services to process. Both services are free and do not require downloads. I'm using Windows 7 and Firefox, so the menu options may be different on your system. The first step is to establish actual image dimensions and file size. You can see this information in the pop-up tooltip, but you can also use this method. Right-click over the image and select the bottom option Properties. Now select the third tab, Details. Scroll down to the Image section. The dimensions are 1600 by 1200 pixels, which is way too large. The public website maximum width is 1120 pixels, so most images will be much smaller. In practice, the most common image width is 250 pixels. Choose between 400 to 750 pixels for medium and larger images. The file size is just over a megabyte, which will definitely delay page loading time. The solution is to resize, then optimize images prior to uploading to the site. I'll look at an online system first. Although I haven't used JPEGoptimizer.com before, I found it easy to use and very efficient during testing. To start, click Browse to find the image on your computer. Once located, highlight then click Open or double-click the file. Ensure Compress Image and Resize Photo are ticked, then change compression to 90 and the width to 400 pixels. The height will be calculated automatically, keeping the original image proportions. Now click Optimize Photo. It takes a short while to upload your image. The larger the image file size, the longer it will take. Once the page is refreshed, scroll down to check the file size and dimensions. The new image is around 4% of the original file size, but we can do a little better without significant quality loss using SimpleImageResizer.com. Let's save the resized image, then head to SimpleImageResizer.com. Firstly, we need to locate the resized image on your computer. So click Select Image. Double-click to upload. Now click Optimize Image. This process should be quite fast as the resized image is rather lean. There has been a further reduction, so I'll download this image and use it in a future tutorial. I'll use Windows to check the new dimensions and file size. The width is now 400 pixels and the height 300 pixels. The file size is reduced to around 36K, which is about 96% smaller than the original file. This will ensure the page loads speedily. Now I'll demonstrate an alternative image resizing option, which is useful when the file size is very large and is rejected by online image resizing services. Let's return to the original image. Double-click. It should open in the Windows Image Viewer. Now select Paint from the Open menu. You can see the original dimensions and file size at the bottom of Paint. Select Resize, then choose Pixels, and ensure Maintain Aspect Ratio is checked. Now type 400 into the horizontal box. The vertical dimension is calculated automatically. Now click OK to resize. Using the main menu, select Save as JPEG Picture, rename, and then save. Again, I'll use Windows to check the new dimensions and file size. The width is now 400 pixels and height 300 pixels. The file size is reduced to around 90K, which is much better. So now, back to SimpleImageResizer.com to follow the same process as before. Locate the image and press the Optimize Image button. The results are very similar to the first method. The reduced file size is 35K. I'll download this file and check it in Windows. Windows confirms the new image has the correct dimensions and is only 3.5% of the original file size. So job done. Thank you for watching this tutorial.